We want to be able to be the most innovative supplier of window covering products worldwide. I developed a product line of window covering fabrics and components that would offer our fabricators, our customer base, a good quality product with outstanding service, and most importantly, that they would make a good profit. Understanding what the market needs is the most important aspect of our business, and you only get to know that by traveling, visiting customers, visiting markets, listening to people, understanding what their culture is, what their tastes are. We work primarily with fabricators all over the world.
If you can communicate with your customer and understand when their cycles are coming and what solutions they're looking for, and bring them solutions rather than just other options to buy, then we have success and we will continue to have success. We always want to be a solution, not just another supplier to people. So often when we're talking to our customers, it's about how do you affect the bottom line? How do you create an efficiency? How do you make something differentiated? We often call ourselves an import and export management company. I think it's a lot more than that because we're sales, we're marketing. We essentially represent factories all over the globe and we act as their sales, logistics, and marketing arm. They either don't have the expertise or the staff or the know-how.
We want to bring things to you that make people look at what you offer. That is the whole reason for developing Storch International and why we will pursue that same philosophy.